Hi, welcome to CNC Design Vault, a destination of 3D and 2D design lover. Hello everyone! Today I am bringing you free 3D CNC door designs. Look at the detailing in every curve and floral element of this design. This floral pattern gives the door a royal and elegant appearance. If you prefer a modern look, this geometric style is a perfect choice. This traditional design works beautifully for heritage-style homes. Every leaf curve is smooth and carefully balanced. This bold carving makes a powerful statement for your main entrance. For office spaces, a clean and professional design works best. This 3D design is completely free. Check the link in the description. See you in the next video with another free 3D CNC door design.